Let me switch the camera on me. Hi, everybody. Hello. Hey. Hey. So, what's up, people? So, it's really been a long time since I've been on Insta Live. Wow. Um, well, I'm just enjoying nature. It's really beautiful out. It's been beautiful out, you know. It has been so beautiful out of late. And today I decided to be outside. Like, who doesn't want to enjoy some nature? But if you are in Massachusetts and you are in Worcester, you know where I am, where I'm speaking from the beginning of the video. You will know where I am. Please don't come and look for me. I mean, you're welcome to come to the park. Um, but yeah. Anyways, I'm just checking up on you guys to see how you are. Hi Nana, how are you? I'm just checking up on you guys to see how you guys are doing. It's been long since I've been on live. So I'm enjoying nature for the time being. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Bye.